Every school begins the day with one goal: to help students grow, learn, and succeed. But behind that mission lies a mountain of admin work, scattered systems, paperwork, reports, fees, schedules, HR files, all disconnected. That's where Schoolyn steps in. Schoolyn is a complete school operating system. A cloud-based software that unites every department into one seamless platform: academics, HR, finance, communication, transport, inventory, and more. Let's look at what Schoolyn offers. From admissions to academics. Digitize every student detail, from enrollment to attendance, classroom allocation to homework, study materials, and real-time grading. Manage class timetables, subject-wise attendance, promote students, and track academic progress with ease. For exams and assessments, Schoolyn handles everything: exam scheduling, admit cards, seat plans, marks entry, tabulation sheets, merit lists, and even online exams. Smart finance and fees: collect fees digitally, automate invoices, track due balances, send SMS reminders, and manage bank transactions, all under one wallet integrated system. Generate profit and loss statements, manage inventory, and approve fund transfers, all in real time. Staff and HR made simple: onboard staff, assign roles, track attendance, approve leaves, process payroll, and generate ID cards or certificates in just a few clicks. Reports and analytics for every stakeholder, from student performance to fee collections, staff reports to class performance. Generate real-time dashboards and export insightful analytics whenever needed. Transport and tracking: manage vehicles, assign drivers, plan routes, and track buses live. Parents can know where their child is anytime. Communication tools that actually work: make announcements, send instant SMS or email, manage event calendars, or chat internally, all in one place. Integrated WhatsApp support makes parent communication faster and easier. LMS plus virtual classrooms, whether through Google Meet, Big Blue Button, or in-app Live, conduct live sessions, share content, track participation, and manage online learning effortlessly. Advanced add-ons: Schoolyn also includes marketing lead generation from online ads, AI chat assistant. Schoolyn's AI assistant helps students by solving scanned homework, tracking learning progress, providing personalized study plans, offering academic guidance, and generating essays, summaries, grammar checks, and more. AI content generation, QR code-based attendance, customizable ID and certificate templates, and a full front-end CMS to manage your school's website and online presence. Why Schoolyn? Because schools need a single, unified system. Because educators deserve to focus on teaching, not admin headaches. Because data should work for you, not overwhelm you. Schoolyn is secure, responsive, role-based, and accessible from anywhere, on any device. So what are you waiting for? Let Schoolyn handle the admin, so your teachers can focus on what they do best. Book your free demo today. All of school, all in Schoolyn.